Good morning, Teacher Robert. Good morning, classmates. This is our report. Simple machines. Simple machines are basic tools or devices that make it easier to perform work. They are often used to multiply or change the direction of force, making tasks simpler and more efficient. Considered basic machines that aid humans with their work or activity. When two or more simple machines are combined, complex or compound machines are formed. Machines can multiply force or speed of work. They can change the direction of force and transform energy. Types of simple machines: inclined plane, lever, screw, wedge, wheel and axle, pulley. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat surface tilted at an angle, used as a simple machine to raise or lower heavy objects with less force over a longer distance. I will now pass the report to Nigel.
Lever. Long rigid bar that rotates around the fulcrum. The fulcrum is the pivot point of a lever. It gives the lever something to push down against. First class levers have their fulcrum at the center of the load. Effort force, force applied on the machine. Resistance force, force overcome by the machine. Second class levers have their fulcrum at one end of the machine. The load force is between the fulcrum and the location where effort force is applied. Third class levers have their effort force applied in between the fulcrum and the load force. I will now pass this report to Ezekiel.
Screw. A screw with a helical ridge called a thread that is used to join materials together by rotating in it with a screwdriver. Wedge. Its main function is to separate objects apart. Can also be used to keep things together. Wheel and axle. Axle. The axle is the rod or pole found at the center. When the wheel rotates, the axle also rotates. I will pass the report to Ashira.
Pulley. It is used to redirect a force. It is a wheel and axle combined with a rope, chain, or some other cord to allow movements. Single fixed pulley is commonly used for flagpoles. Single movable pulley is a pulley that moves with the load. Block and tackle pulley consists of two blocks with one or more pulleys. Machines should always be in good condition. Number 2. Always check the machine. Ensure that it is not broken. Number 3. Use the machine properly. Number 4. Wear protective clothing if needed. Number 5. Only use a knife for slicing meat and scissors for cutting paper. Number 6. For screws, determine first what screwdriver is needed. Number 7. Take extra caution when handling sharp and pointed machines. Number 8. Before using pulleys, make sure it is securely tied to the support. Number 9. Do not play on an inclined plane unless it is intended for leisure, such as parks and amusement areas. Number 10. Before using simple machines, ask assistance or guidance. Number 11. Clean the simple machines and store them to their proper places after using them to avoid incidents. Thank you for listening. And the next part of this is our quiz.